Hi, this is Noah at screenprintexchange.com. I am going to be stripping 18 to 22 gauge wire that is stranded, copper wiring, on this modified Vevor machine. I put a foot switch. I use it by hand just for this presentation, but usually on my foot. I have 3 different modes on here, and I shaved down this handle. It used to be much taller. There was no need for it, so I can get this lower on the roller, the cutting blade, against the 2 conical drive pullers. So here we go. It's sometimes hard to start this thin a wire, and it's hard to keep on too. There you go, we got it. You can see that foot pedal turn on, turn off, whatever. And that's what's nice about it, because if it goes off the guide, then you can start over again. And it's hard to pull this wire, this thin gauge wire, out of the plastic coating once it's done, especially if there's kinks in it or whatever. So that was quick, and you could kind of see. I'm gonna start at the end, hopefully to peel it off. Well, doesn't like that. Let's see if I can do it again. And this wire was in a harsh environment. Okay, we got the top started. So that's kind of the secret with thin wire. Start it at top. Then we can slowly, because I've tried this several times and keep on breaking the copper wire, so we gotta do this slow. We're going to make this into a copper ball. Well, there you go. That's the problem. Especially because this had lots of kinks in it and whatever. So you have to start over again. It's not really worth it to do this thin gauge. I usually just throw in a box, and they give me house wiring prices for copper. But I just wanted to show you what the Vevor can do, the stripper, if you modify it slightly and make it a better machine. It is for sale. I want to get a little bit better machine, and then I'd modify that a little bit as well for you guys. So if any brands want me to modify their machines, which probably they don't, send one to me. But here we go. So we got it all. Guess that's not, is it worth it? When you just squish it, you should be wearing gloves because it kind of hurts right now. Here we go. So you got your ball. We got 3 other ones. Trying to make this 4 other ones. Anyhow, that's it. Keep on watching. I'll make more. Thank you. Bye.